Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will find out the average speed in the different case. So the special case is what? How we will find out average speed when an object travels half the distance with speed v1 and another half distance with speed v2. This is the special case of average speed. First of all, I would like to tell you the formula of average speed is average speed can be written as total distance by total time taken. Total time taken. So this is the main formula of find out the average speed. But in this case, it is given that a person or an object is covering half the distance with speed v1 and another half the distance with speed v2. So first of all, we will assume that here is a point that is A and here is a point that is B, and the total distance between A and B, that is 2x. So according to the question, half of the distance of AB, let's say this is the point C, and here we can say that AC is equal to CB. So AC we are taking, that is x, and CB we are taking, that is also x. So this x distance is covering with velocity v1 and the another x distance that is covering with velocity v2 according to the question. So in this case, we have to find out the average speed. So average speed is equal to total distance. So the total distance from A to B, that is x plus x, divided by total time. So here we are taking from A to C, that is time t1, and from C to B, that is time t2. So we can write here t1 plus t2. Now in the second step, we can add x plus x, that will be 2x, but at the place of time, we can write the total distance from A to C and the total speed from A to C. So the total distance from A to C, that is x, divided by the total speed in the duration, that is v1. Similarly, we can put for t2 as well. So at the place of t2, we can write total distance from C to B and total speed from C to B, that is v2, right? So in the next step, what we will do, we will just take common from both the steps and we can write here 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. So x to x will be cancelled out and the remaining part will be there, that will be 2 divided by 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. Now in the next step, 2 over v1 and v2 will be taken as LCM v1 and v2, and here we will get v2 plus v1. Now this is in the reciprocal, so it will be 2 v1 v2 over v1 plus v2. So this is the formula of average speed in that particular case. Okay, thanks for watching.